Hi everybody, I'm Eric with Madness Autoworks, and today I'm going to show you how to install our Madness GoPedal on this Jaguar F-Type. The GoPedal is an inexpensive and easy to install way of amplifying the performance of your Jaguar. You'll have the ability to fine-tune your throttle response and therefore engine response, which can lead to slight improvements in performance, slight improvements in MPG if desired. Ultimately, it does improve the drivability of the car in a way that no other product can do for the money. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee behind it, and if I'm being honest, it's gonna take me less than 5 minutes to install this. So let me show you how to get it done. I'm in the driver's side wheel well. I've got the brake pedal on the left, I've got the gas pedal on the right. You're just gonna follow up the gas pedal till you get to the drive-by-wire module. Sticking out of that is a little electrical connector that's going to be pointing towards the driver's seat. We're going to pinch that connector, pull it out, and the GoPedal is going to clip into place into the drive-by-wire module and then back into the factory socket as well. From that point, we can just run the cabling for the GoPedal up along the carpet, along the center console trim. I like to set it up so that the GoPedal hangs just in front of the driver's side seat. So I'm gonna take the remote, set it up so it's hanging in the right spot, and tuck this cabling just underneath this center console trim. We're gonna have a little bit of excess wire hanging off, so we can set that just behind the carpeting, up at the top by the sensor. It's a super clean install now, it's hidden away, and it's easily accessible. Now that we've got the GoPedal installed, we can cycle through the modes just to ensure a proper operation of it. Green LED up top is for eco mode, yellow LED is the sport setting, red is for race, none is for off. We're gonna throw it in the sport setting now. Every setting can be fine-tuned with the plus or minus buttons. So say you like the sport setting but want a little bit more out of it, you can hit the plus button to amplify the effect up to 3 degrees. Or say you like the sport setting but want it a little less snappy, you can use the minus button to set it back 1, 2, or 3 degrees. We're gonna leave it in the default sport setting for now, fire the car up, make sure that it's happy with it and there's no check engine lights. Nothing on the dash, we're good to go, everything's proper. So there you have it. Install is that simple. The awesome thing about the GoPedal is being able to fine-tune throttle response can allow you to set it up so that your comfort-based driving modes are snappier and more responsive like your sport-based driving modes. And then obviously driving it in the sport settings is gonna make the car feel like sport on steroids. So that's pretty awesome too. All in all, it's a fantastic change for the money. It dramatically improves the drivability of the vehicle, and it's one of the easiest upgrades that you will ever do. If y'all have any other questions, please give us a call directly. Reach out to us via email. For any Jaguar related stuff, ping us at jagmadness.com. Otherwise, for all other vehicle inquiries, reach out to us at madnessautoworks.com. Eric at Madness Autoworks, reaching out from our California office. Thanks for watching. Drive well.